What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm pretty much gonna go down on how much I spent on the Mustang to get it where it's at, to rebuild it, you know, the whole cost, so you guys have an idea of what you'll spend. I mean, you guys are not gonna spend the same as me because maybe you had less damage or maybe you paid more for parts or whatever, but what I paid completely for the car, it came out pretty cheap, honestly. So we're gonna go over that right now. I washed it this morning, so she looks kind of clean. The water pump is fixed, by the way. I had the same people that tuned me, DPM. They switched out the pump for me, so car's running good again. No more coolant leaks. It's so hard to keep these wheels clean. All right, guys. She looks kind of clean. All right, guys. So I have it written down on the paper because I did have it on my phone. But yeah. So the car was $7,500. I paid $200 for both headlights. Keep in mind, you are most likely not gonna be paying this if you're buying headlights for your Mustang, because they're pretty expensive even on eBay. I just I get lucky and I always somehow find cheap parts, and they are OEM. So I paid $200 for the headlights. I paid $200 for the front bumper. $127 for the radio support, which I bought brand new on eBay. They do sell that brand new on eBay, so that's pretty cheap. I paid $133 for the front crash bar, used on eBay. I paid $100 for the passenger fender. $500 for the hood. That's probably the most expensive thing I bought, the hood. I did find other hoods cheaper, but they were not GT hoods. And the GT hood and the V6 hood do have a difference, which is like the little air vents thing. So that's probably the most expensive thing I bought was the hood. $500. $200 for the steering wheel with airbag. $100 for the dashboard with airbag. Again, you are not gonna find these prices normally, but yeah, I got lucky. $100 for the roof airbag, the curtain. I did buy this driver fender brand new, which is $167. $2,000 for the bodywork and paint. $100 for the driver knee airbag, which you're not gonna find that this driver knee airbag is expensive. I think the cheapest one I found was like $300, $350 around there on eBay. I paid $100. Passenger knee airbag, $50. That's usually what there are, like anywhere from $50 to $100. Pretty cheap. $150 for the passenger seat with the airbag. $20 for the hood hinges, and $150 for the radiator fans and condenser, which came out to a total of $11,797. Now, I don't know, but to me, that's pretty cheap, especially for a 2017 performance pack 6-speed Mustang. The only bad things about these cars is, I guess the transmission doesn't really hold, or just people don't know how to drive or something. But hopefully this transmission holds enough. So yeah, guys, that's what I spent. $11,797, which is not horrible, honestly. If you go buy this in the street right now, you'll probably spend anywhere from $18,000 and up, for sure. $18,000 and up. I don't think any lower. And yep, that's what I spent, guys. Pretty short video, but I just wanted to maybe someone that wants to buy a Mustang on Copart or something, that will see what they spend. For the car itself, maybe I did overpay a little, I'm not sure. but that's what they were going for, like 6,000, 6,500. You know, honestly, the thing that kills you in Copart is the fees. Their fees are crazy, honestly. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and next video, hopefully we're in Mexico.